பாடிடுவோம் ஆடிடுவோம் தந்தனே தந்தனே பாடிடுவோம் ஆடிடுவோம் தந்தனே தந்தனே பாரம்பரிய திருவிழாவை கொண்டாடுவோம் கொண்டாடுவோம் பாரம்பரிய திருவிழாவை கொண்டாடுவோம் கொண்டாடுவோம் பாடிடுவோம் ஆடிடுவோம் தந்தனே தந்தனே பாரம்பரிய திருவிழாவை கொண்டாடுவோம் கொண்டாடுவோம் தந்தனே 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 தந்தனே.
Great dream of raising a new India from the ashes of colonialism reached a historic denouement in 1947. More importantly, independence became a turning point for an equally dramatic narrative: nation building. The foundations were laid to our constitution, adopted on 26 January 1950, which we celebrate each year as Republic Day. Its driving principle was the compact between state and citizen, a powerful public-private partnership nourished by justice, liberty and equality. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. We are very happy to welcome you to the Republic Day celebrations 2021 on the PSBB Vidya Shakti YouTube channel. With freedom in minds, faith in words, pride in our hearts and memories in our souls, we salute our nation.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. India, a land of uniqueness. Parukulle Nalla Nadu is a song by Bharatiyar highlighting the beauty and bravery of the country. He dwells in patriotism with a swelling sense of pride for the values of our country.
பாருக்குள்ளே நல்ல நாடு எங்கள் பாரத நாடு பாருக்குள்ளே நல்ல நாடு எங்கள் பாரத நாடு பாருக்குள்ளே நல்ல நாடு ஞானத்திலே பரமோன்னத்திலே உயர்வானத்திலே அன்னதானத்திலே ஞானத்திலே பரமோன்னத்திலே உயர்வானத்திலே அன்னதானத்திலே கானத்திலே அமுதாக நிறைந்த கானத்திலே அமுதாக நிறைந்த கவிதையிலே உயர்நாடு பாருக்குள்ளே நல்ல நாடு எங்கள் பாரத நாடு பாருக்குள்ளே நல்ல நாடு தீரத்திலே படை வீரத்திலே நெஞ்சில் ஈரத்திலே உபகாரத்திலே சாரத்திலே மிகு சாத்திரம் கண்டு சாரத்திலே மிகு சாத்திரம் கண்டு தருவதிலே உயர்நாடு பாருக்குள்ளே நல்ல நாடு எங்கள் பாரத நாடு பாருக்குள்ளே நல்ல நாடு.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good evening. I'm Arjun from grade 11 and I'm here to take you through this evening's patriotic tribute to our motherland. We as Indians are fortunate indeed to have been cradled in a civilization nearly 5,000 years old, an unimaginable time frame. This cradle swung to the rhythm of the Upanishads and the Vedas, echoing the sentiments of the epics. With such a glorious past, let's rededicate towards a better future. Every year on 26 January, we celebrate Republic Day with great pride and enthusiasm. On this very day, way back in 1950, the Constitution of India had come into effect, along with a democratic system of governance, thus marking our journey towards becoming an independent republic.
This year, India celebrates its 72nd Republic Day, commemorating the historic moment when our nation became an independent republic country with an elected president who is also the supreme commander of the Indian Armed Forces. Here is Samarth of Nayanar giving a message to his fellow men to take pride in being a part of our armed forces.
Vande Mataram. Do you truly understand what the motto of our armed forces, service before self, bravery and patriotism truly mean? My grandfathers served the Indian Army for nearly 3 decades. They also fought 2 wars, the 1962 Indochina War and the 1971 Indo-Pak War. They proved that the interest of the country always came first. Their training gave them enhanced emotional strength and physical strength. For solely this purpose, they believe that the youth of our country must receive at least 3 months basic military training. They should learn to improvise, adapt and overcome. No guts, no glory. Jai Hind.
To cherish this political changeover, we present before you the pièce de résistance consisting of a skit, a multilingual musical bonanza, an instrumental medley, and a classic art mosaic. Enjoy the programs, each unique in its own style and rendition.
Nothing moves you more than music does, be it a heart-wrenching melody, soul-stirring lyrics, or a tune that envelops you in its beauty. Something about it transports you to a different world. A song about one's country does so much more. It inspires you and ignites that patriotic fervor within. Patriotic songs make your heart swell with pride as you look on at the hoisted tricolour. Patriotism is inextricably linked with the concept of citizenship. It inculcates a sense of nationalism. Let us now listen to a confluence of patriotic songs in Sanskrit, Tamil and Hindi, showcased as an instrumental medley with various instruments.
One land, one nation, one vision, my republic. Republic Day honors the day when the Indian Constitution came into effect. You will witness a skit highlighting the uniqueness of our Indian Constitution.
Jhansi Ki Rani, what has upset you now?
I'm working on a project to empower women, but my work gets derailed by people who are outdated. Everybody should progress, right?
Yeah.
Accept change, evolve.
Point noted. We'll raise it in the parliament.
Parliament is the place for laws are made. So, it is the best place to change archaic laws and beliefs.
By the way, the word you are looking for is amend.
Amendment. Yeah, amendment.
In 1950, 72 years back, we got our constitution. To put the process in a nutshell, 299 members, which included 15 women, 93 princely states, and different people deliberated for over 114 days.
And the debates provided rationale behind every provision of our constitution. The leaders who framed our constitution were
Progressive, flexible, and futuristic.
72 years ago, while framing our constitution, our leaders anticipated that the aspirations of the people would change. So they agreed that the constitution should not be static and unalterable.
Exactly. Back to my point, amendments. It is a provision to incorporate changes from time to time to keep the constitution updated.
As of 2020, there have been 104 amendments. Notably, the 86th Amendment in 2002 provided right to education until the age of 14 and early childhood care until the age of 6. The 101st Amendment introduced goods and service tax.
And the latest 104th Amendment enables 10% reservation for the economically weaker sections and also extended reservation of seats for the socially backward to the Lok Sabha and state assemblies.
And most importantly, progress, change, transformation. Amendments are an integral feature of our constitution. So here is some trivia about it.
The constitution was originally written in Hindi and English, and it's the longest in the world.
Prem Bihari Narendra Isam wrote it by hand.
Every page of the constitution is decorated by artists from Shantiniketan.
The original constitution is located in the library of the Parliament of India.
It took more than 3 years to complete the constitution and more than 2000 amendments were sent to the first draft.
Hope you enjoyed this show.
Jai!
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Art is an expression and the artist an expressor. Art expresses and translates. Art acknowledges and reveals. Art transfers and intervenes feelings, beliefs and characteristics. We are going to introduce you to the language of art and exhibit its power to express and invoke emotions.
Indian architecture may be aptly summarized by the saying that architecture reaches its pinnacle when it speaks of its time and place but still achieves timelessness. This Republic Day allow us to treat you to a glimpse of the paragons of architecture in our nation that have achieved this pinnacle. The Kamakhya Temple of Assam was built in the Nilachal style of architecture. It is the only temple in the state with a fully developed ground plan. The Kamakhya temple consists of 5 chambers, the Garbhagriha, the Antarala, the Jagamohan, Bhog Mandir and Nat Mandir. The Jagannath Temple of Puri in Odisha is one of India's most revered temples. It is built in the Kalinga style of architecture and has a 3.5 meter tall discus mounted on it known as the Neela Chakra. The temple also boasts of a gigantic kitchen capable of feeding thousands of devotees daily. The Somnath Temple of Gujarat was built in the Chalukya style of architecture by the master masons, the Sompura Salats. The temple is positioned such that there is no land between its shores and the coast of Antarctica. Madhubani, literally forest of honey, is an ancient style of Bihari folk art characterized by its vibrant and bold use of colors as well as traditional geometric patterns. Other notable features include double-line borders, ornate floral patterns, and abstract-like figures of deities. Warli is a Maharashtrian folk art characterized by its use of geometric shapes. One of the most popular motifs of Warli art is a spiral chain of humans around one central figure. This is in accordance with the Maharashtrian tribal belief that life is an eternal journey, one with no beginning or end.
The Constitution of India is the heart of a nation's democracy. Now, we are going to walk you through the formation of the Constitution through art and animation. May we take our country to greater heights as we continue to express and pass on our country's past as we transcend towards a brighter tomorrow.
Happy Republic Day, Jai Hind.
The national song Vande Mataram, composed in Sanskrit by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, was a source of inspiration to the people of India in their struggle for freedom. Vande Mataram means I praise thee, mother. We sing her praise and dance with patriotic fervor.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam Malayaj Sheetalam Sasya Shyamalam Mataram Vande Mataram Shubhra Jyotsna Pulakitayamini Pulla Kusumita Dhrumadana Shobhini Suhasini Sumadura Bhashini Sukhadam Varadam Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram Tvam hi Durga Dasha Praharana Dharini Kamala Kamala Dhala Viharini Vani Vidya Dayini Namami Tvam Namami Kamala Kamala Atulam Sujalam Sufalam Mataram Vande Mataram Shyamadam Saranam Sushmitam Bhushitam Dharani Bharani Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram
Patriotic songs can never be sung without feeling a sense of pride.
We are overwhelmed every time we sing these songs with our tricolor flying high. They have played an important role in instilling a spirit of nationalism in the hearts of 1.3 billion Indians. India erupted with joy when Rakesh Sharma, the first Indian astronaut, quoted the first line of a patriotic song in 1984 to describe how India appeared from outer space to Mrs. Indira Gandhi. On this Republic Day, let us make a promise to our motherland that we will do everything to preserve and enrich our heritage, our treasure, and celebrate our nation's unity in diversity by rendering patriotic songs in different Indian languages.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा। हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलस्तान हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा।
ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಭಾರತಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಡು ಭಾರತ, ನಮ್ಮ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ನೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಸಿರು ಭಾರತ. ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಭಾರತಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಡು ಭಾರತ, ನಮ್ಮ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ನೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಸಿರು ಭಾರತ. ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಭಾರತಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಡು ಭಾರತ.
भारत माना लाल हमें ऋषि मुनि ना संतान, भारत माना लाल हमें ऋषि मुनि ना संतान। जय चारण नन करेगा शन माना गौरवदान, माना गौरवदान। भारत माना लाल हमें ऋषि मुनि ना संतान, जय चारण नन करेगा शन माना गौरवदान, माना गौरवदान। भारत माना लाल हमें ऋषि मुनि ना संतान। जोड़े तोरे डॉक्टर बिचोड़ो से तोबे अखला चलो रे, जोड़े तोरे डॉक्टर बिचोड़ो से तोबे अखला चलो रे, तोबे अखला चलो अखला चलो अखला चलो अखला चलो रे, तोबे अखला चलो अखला चलो अखला चलो अखला चलो रे, जोड़े तोरे डॉक्टर बिचोड़ो से तोरे अखला चलो। पारकुळे नल्ल नाडु एंगल भारत नाडु, इंद पारकुळे नल्ल नाडु एंगल भारत नाडु, इंद पारकुळे नल्ल नाडु।
Republic Day 2021, held through Vidya Shakti, gave us an opportunity to showcase our talents in music, dance, art, and theatre. PSBB's ethos is to provide a cultural canvas to make education meaningful. Mrs. Sheila Rajendra, our beloved Dean and Director, has always been a firm believer in Bharatiyam. She fiercely advocates patriotism and nationalism and encourages students to cherish their roots. The PSBB group of schools has seamlessly integrated Indian culture and heritage into the syllabus in order to make students more patriotic. Let's listen to Ma'am's Republic Day message.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. எல்லாருக்கும் மாலை வணக்கம். In 2018, during our Diamond Jubilee celebrations, Parambarya Tiruvizha was an outstanding success with thousands of parents, students and their families visiting the fair. Fast forward 2021, Parambaryam could not have footfalls, but it had thousands of viewers digitally. If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door, goes a saying. That is precisely what we did on 6th August 2020 by creating the YouTube channel PSBB Vidya Shakti, a virtual platform to encourage our talented, gifted and versatile students to showcase their potential and aid in their learning. My special thanks to the hundreds of students and parents who have always participated enthusiastically, which exceeds our expectations by leaps and bounds. It is appropriate that the 5-day Parambaryam concludes with Bharatiyam on Republic Day. The program on these 5 days are reassuring that modern methods of education in no way hamper the cultural values of the learners. On a day of national significance, it gives me immense pleasure to observe the patriotic zeal of these young PSBBians. Nurturing our ancient culture, tradition, and love for the country will enable them emerge as being human and not merely a human being. I take this opportunity to appreciate the hard work of my fellow teachers who have assimilated the optimism and the enthusiasm of our Dr. Mrs. YG and make it a point to come up with creative ideas. Be it online academic lessons or cultural programs, talent shows or quizzes, they have put in their best foot forward in transforming all these events and sessions into memorable occasions in the annals of PSBB. 3 cheers to the teachers, parents and students for their stupendous efforts in keeping the PSBB flag fly high with the tricolor of Dr. Mrs. YGP's mantra, accountability, integrity and responsibility. While seeking the blessings of our dear founder Dr. Mrs. YGP, I would like to reiterate that this year has been a year of challenges, but we at PSBB have realized the bigger the challenge, greater is the opportunity for growth. The PSBB trio of teachers, parents and students have been very cooperative in making our virtual dreams come true. My gratitude to Mr. S.B. Kanthan of Kanthan Creations for helping us facilitate the programs through our digital platform, and to Chella Videos who has assisted in recording of some of our pieces. Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am, for this patriotic message. It is our responsibility as the future citizens of this country to make India emerge as a global superpower.
Our ancestors gave us a glorious past. Let us, the youth of today, pledge to take India into a brilliant future with a host of possibilities and together make it the nation we dream of. One nation, one vision, one identity. Meri pehchan, mera Bharat. Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind. Now the national anthem.
கொண்டாடு